Wizard Workshops here at the end of a Saturday with the dogs and my wife waiting for me. I'm just doing a little quick tour of a collection of the original carvings by myself at various dates, mostly stone but also wood, driftwood. This one here is nodule, probably iron nodule from the Kaipara Harbour. That's the merman and the creatures of the deep. That one there is Kaiti sandstone triangle, the gates of the new year 2020, little did I know. And that is flint, a kind of flint, pre-flint. The Wise Helmsman, one of my favourites. That was from a Portuguese driftwood, some beautiful wood. I'm not sure what it is. And here, my other favourite that I've just been carving away at. This is probably Wild Horses and that man, Phaethon, the son of Helios, who lost control of the chariots of Helios and was struck by lightning. And over the other side is, of course, the familiar figure of Atlas carrying a huge boulder, which is the world, of course. Or it could be the world egg. And here's a Fujikawa box. Very, very hard wood to carve. It's the tree of life, the Maori tree of life. And this is totara, the preferred carving material for the Maori carvings. Beautiful to carve with. That was destined for the fire, a piece of firewood that my friend rescued. And I carved it until I thought it was good enough. And this here, I carved and carved too. This one here is a sort of an account of the first coming of the Europeans to this place, Gisborne, Tairāwhiti, and what happened was tragic, but we got over it and live side by side in this, what is now known as Gisborne. That is a stone, flinty stone from Kaiti, which is where the first meeting took place. So that's about it. All those hours, labour of love and obsession, and that's it. I will leave the last scene to the wise helmsman of the Viking-like ship.